Today, in anticipation of the long-awaited film about the world's most famous doll, we are recreating a super colorful logo with a super embossed effect. To make our logo, we will need the BF Fatty series and the neon pink in our BF 700 series. Our graphics have already been cut, so let's proceed with the weeding of the film. We are now going to weed the neon pink from the BF 700 series, on which we have only cut the outline of the logo with an abundance of about 1 cm to 1.5 cm. The first film we are going to apply will be BF Fatty. I then set the press at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 seconds and lower the pressure slightly. We press the shirt to remove moisture and creases. Now I position the BF Fatty, which has no adhesive liner, so we are going to hold it in place with thermal tape. We remove the liner cold. To create even more volume in our logo, we're going to press another layer of BF Fatty on top of the one we've just pressed. Then we carefully place it perfectly on top of the other already pressed layer and hold it in place with thermal tape. We press again with the same parameters at 150 degrees for 20 seconds. We can now apply the neon pink of the BF 700 series. We then set the press to 140 degrees for 10 seconds and reset the pressure to medium pressure. Very carefully now, we're going to position the neon pink layer and center it on the fatty layers. In this case, we can see the fatty layer underneath. If you can't center the neon pink on the fatty, you can run your finger over it and you'll be able to feel the fatty underneath and adjust it accordingly. We then press at 140 degrees Celsius for 10 seconds. We remove the liner hot. Here is our finished logo. If on the other hand we want to make a t-shirt with a logo like this one, all we have to do is cut all the previous elements again, but with a non-specular cut, and press them following the procedure from before on an inside-out t-shirt. We proceed with the application. Now that we have pressed all our layers, we can turn the t-shirt inside out and see the finished result. Which effect do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. So that you don't miss any more videos like this, remember to subscribe to our channels and activate the bell. Bye!